Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Forza Horizon 4 audio problems related to audio issues, okay? So in this video, I'm just gonna share with you what I've tried myself, what worked for me. I can't guarantee this will work, but I'll try my best to provide you with the methods that I've tried myself and worked for me, and I hope it's gonna work for you as well. I know it's a very painful experience because you can't even play the game if there's problem with a sound. So yeah, let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe, and also make sure you leave your results in the comment section. I really want to make sure you received or you got the right results, okay? Okay, so to fix this problem, what you have to do here, when you see the, not the internet, but icon, sound icon, right click, select open sound settings, and then here, what you have to do is to go to and here what you have to do is to make sure you have the right output. Probably you're saying to yourself that's an obvious thing to suggest people to do or to acknowledge, like it's obvious, like you have, but a lot of people will just neglect or just forget, overlooked. It is simple, but it's very important. Make sure you select. This happens to me so many times. I don't have the right output, like maybe I have on speakers or another device, maybe selected to this microphone, and you hear the sound through this microphone, but obviously if you don't connect your headset to this microphone, you won't hear anything. And make sure you select. Now I'm using headset, so I'm gonna select headset here, and that's available for input as well for your mic. Select your mic. This is what I use to record, Samsung Q2U microphone, so I'm just gonna select this microphone. Okay, now let's scroll a little bit down, and here you should see more sound settings. Click on it, and then here in playback, make sure you click on your headset, click on properties, and here in advanced settings, make sure here you have the last hertz option here, or you can also select the second, see if that will change, and it's something. And now here in spatial sound, make sure you turn this off, and in levels, make sure this is set to 100%, drag it all the way to 100, or you can also type here 100. And now that's pretty much what you have to do. You can also update your driver, but not from here. And you can also click on your sound, and from here turn spatial sound off. If you have Windows Sonic for headphones, turn this off. And also the effects, turn off. Okay. And now the next step, device manager, and here make sure you in audio input and outputs, make sure this, you go here, select your headphones maybe, and click on update driver, and then select browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick and select your model, or you can also go from browse to search, and this will search online for any available drivers. Now obviously you can also go to Windows Update and update your Windows, and in that package maybe there's some drivers, or you can also go to advanced options, and here you have specific updates that that you have to install in order the game to work, the sound to work. So make sure here you check all the drivers and click on download and install. That's what you have to do. Now I hope guys this video helped you. This is what worked for me. That's all the methods I've tried, and in the end it worked. So I hope it's gonna work for you as well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and let me know in the comment section the results you received and what are the results. So thank you for watching, and take care.